Alright, YouTube. Quick update on the caprice. It's looking like we're going to have one day next week that we're going to be able to get this in primer. And if I have time, we'll be getting the trunk in primer. Still got to sand it down and get it prepped. We'll also be getting these ready. I'm going to be getting those stripped down. Taking care of that one little busted spot right there in the front. Of course, there'll be a video on that too. I also still got a couple low spots in this fender left to take care of. Along with got a little bit around the mirror, around the door handle, right up there. And this door, I still got a little bit of work left to do on it. Hopefully this coming week we'll be able to get a lot of work done. Hopefully get that roof knocked out. Then we'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned.